Sephora and Walmart have their own associates page. You don't have to sign up for those things. All you have to do is go to their product store, right? So even like Lego, for instance, when I go to Lego, if I were to pick up this item, right, I would just take the URL here, right, and copy it. Then I'm going to go back into my list, my Harry Potter list, because I have one. Thank you, Billy, for the likes. So I'm going to go into Obsessions, find my Harry Potter list. Let's see. Then I'm going to click my add button. There's a little add button on the screen. Then I'm going to put the URL in. It's going to pull the information for me. I don't have to find photos. I don't have to find descriptions. It's pulling the title, the photo, options for the photos that I can add. You always want to reduce the photos so that they're great for mobile and desktop, right? So you have images. You check that your Benable affiliate link is on. You don't have to touch anything else. It's there. Good to go. Press next, and then you write out why you're recommending the product. Not a product description, why you're recommending the product. Hey, my kid loves Harry Potter, and this is so cool that it's the car. You should totally get this, and it's a great price too. Go check it out. Right? Not a product description, not a pricing point. You can say, hey, it's 20% off if you want, or oh, there's a deal this week, right? People have whole ass pages just on deals of like, hey, it's 20% off. You can check this out. And, you know, the best part of this product is that it's a really good cleaner, right? All those things. And then it just ends up being here, right? So simple, so easy. You don't have to sign up for Lego. So simple, so easy. You don't have to sign up for Lego. You don't have to sign up for Walmart's associate. You have access. You just have to share it. So when you share it, it'll show up saying Benable Associates link is on, right? So that means that you can make a commission from it. When a product is grayed out, I will show you what I mean, because you can put any link on here. When a product is grayed out, you're not going to make a commission from it. So if I go to Obsessions again and I go into my services, this is a good example. Edit, right? This is one of my services. It will look like this. Instead of purple and a little slider, it's going to show you affiliates are not available for this link. So you're not making a commission on this product. That's totally fine. I'm sure. There's other things that go into that. Like you get traffic from that. That's why I share any link, which is fine. But if you're looking to make a commission on products, that link has to be purple. There's certain sites like Home Depot, for instance, that because Benable is US based, and you can see in the brand partners that they work with Home Depot, but you're at a Canada site and the product is not going purple, you need to go to like homedepot.com. Whenever you have an issue with a brand partner that you think is there, you know that the brand partner is in the brand partner list, but it's not turning purple, it means that it's US based. So wayfair.com, homedepot.com. Don't switch the area, okay? So ensure that it is the .com. If a Canadian comes in to purchase from that site, it's automatically going to transfer over to Canada, and you should still get a commission. I have lots of Canadians that have purchased from the US. Walmart is the same thing for Walmart. Walmart switches to US for the US partners. So